every second, every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you are bad, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down.
But you give it to me.
Hey guys, it's Jada-Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today is vlogmas day 5, and today I'm just gonna give you guys a little hair tutorial. So basically I decided to braid my hair today. We're gonna be doing knotless braids. So as you can see, my hair is already blow dried and washed, and right now I'm just taking them out of their little braids.
Something's going down, that's a way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. When you're saying everything to me times two, why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna start parting my hair. I don't really do pre-parting because I just feel like it takes too long. And also the back of my hair is damaged because all the coloring I did, but yeah.
Tell the truth, who you with? How would you like it if I came over with my clique? I'm trying to change it now, see you.
Okay, so now I'm just taking out the pack of the hair. I'm just brushing through it because it was a little knotted. So I'm just brushing through it, detangling it, making sure it's smooth. And then you guys are gonna see me start sectioning off the hair, and then I'm basically just gonna start braiding.
Caught up in your game, when you cannot say my name. I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act strange. If nobody's holding you back from me, I know how you used to do. When you're saying everything to me, times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name.
Okay, so once I made my part, I'm just gonna use Shine and Jam just to smoothen the roots of my hair, and then I'm basically just gonna start braiding. With knotless, you're gonna want to make the first plait with your hair, and then you're gonna start adding in hair. And And basically that is what your first braid is supposed to look like. I'm just showing you guys like the parting and how long it is, and yeah. And then you're just gonna literally do the same thing all over your head.
Just hung up the phone at night. Could already tell that you come here home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time. Me, 'cause I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Then you fell fast asleep. Wouldn't even talk to me.
Hey y'all, so it's been a minute. I'm pretty sure I was voice recording this video, but I'm gonna just talk to y'all for a second because I just want to update you guys on where I've been. So basically I finished this much and I got up here. I took a little mini break, and now I'm about to start back on my hair again. I'm just gonna update you guys on the time really quick. Right now it is 10:01. And honestly, I think I'm gonna run out of hair. I only have this bundle left, and I have like a little bit of this bundle, and that's definitely not gonna finish my hair tonight. So I might have to make a quick run to the hair store tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish what I can tonight, but let's just continue.
Can I live with you? can't turn my love off on nobody that says chill, talk shit.
Right now it is 12:16 and I just ran out of hair, but it's okay because I'm gonna go to the hair store in the morning. This is where I got so far. I finished this section. Well, I have like one more row in this section and then just this top part, and then we're basically done with my hair. That's what it's looking like so far. Like I said, I did run out of hair, so I had like leftover blonde strands that I just threw in. I hope it doesn't end up looking too tacky with it. Yeah, so I'll probably catch y'all tomorrow when I start my hair again. But for now, I'm just gonna clean up this bathroom and go to sleep. Hey guys, so it's in the morning. I've been up for like maybe 3 hours now. I told you I was gonna take y'all to the hair store when I go, but I just went really quick and I came back and I got the hair. So we're gonna finish this head now. Like, I'm literally so ready to be done. Wow, why did my braid just have to stick up like that? Yeah, y'all, we're basically done. We just got this section right here. So let's get into this hair. Let's hurry up and finish it so I can just be done.
My viewpoint, my style, my lifestyle. I'ma tell you this one time. Want you to be mine, can I live with you all time? Can I touch you this with mine? Can I leave it? I'ma tell you this one time. Want you to be mine, can I live with you all time? Can I touch you this with mine? Can I leave it? I'ma tell you this one time. Want you to be mine, can I see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? 'Cause I need it now.
Okay guys, so I'm officially done with my hair. I did pull out my edges, if y'all can see in the front. I'll do those later, but right now I'm about to just go set the hot water on the stove. I got like hints of blonde in there and like one piece of brown. It looks fine, so I like it. When I get to the hot water stage, I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I just finished dipping my hair. My camera died, so I'm using my phone right now. I'm just like trying to dry the ends of my hair. So I haven't oiled my scalp in literally so long, so I'm about to do that right now, and then I'm gonna put some mousse in my hair. I'm just using good old castor oil. Like, I literally have so much dandruff because I haven't oiled my scalp in like a month. So yeah, that's what it's looking like right now, and then I'm just gonna use the mousse. The part, that's how much I'm using. Oh, I love this part.
Could it be the